Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to create this beautiful and colorful spirograph pattern by using Python's turtle graphics. So this is what we are going to build. By the end of this video, you will able to generate your own custom geometric art using Python. So let's start coding. First, we have to import our turtle module. So for that, import turtle as t and create turtle object. Give any variable, let's say team and turtle, and create screen object also. So for that, give it variable as screen and t dot screen, and we want our window to keep on screen. For that, screen dot exit on click. Let's run the program. This is our screen. Now let's create one function to draw our spirograph. For that, define and draw spirograph and give one parameter as size so that our turtle slightly moves after every one rotation. For that, size of gap. Now let's create one circle as team.circle and give it as 100 for radius. But we want this again and again till the whole circle is completed. For that, let's create one loop 360 divided by size of gap and simply add it in our loop. Now set our turtle's heading. For that, team.set heading and give it as team.heading. And we have to rotate our turtle slightly before drawing the next circle. So for that, plus size of gap, and let's call our function and check if it's working or not and give it size as 5 and let's run it. It is giving us error as float object cannot be interpreted as an integer. Yeah, here because after division it is giving us float value. For that we have to convert it into integer and let's run it again. Yeah, it is drawing up whole circle, but it is very slow. We have to fasten up the process. For that, simply increase the turtle speed. It's a team dot speed as fastest, and also increase the pen size so it gets clearer as 2. And let's run it again. Yeah, it is working great. Now our next task is to give random color for each circle. So for that, let's create one function. But before that, we want colors. You can simply create one list of colors, but I am using color mode so I can get infinite colors. Color mode and give it maximum value as 255 and create one function as random color and create one variable as color and RGB and simply create random colors. But for that, import random module and let's create variable as R and random dot randint from 0 to 255 and similarly for G and B and simply return the color. Now call our function here as team.color from our random color and let's run it again and check if it's working or not. Yeah, it is working absolutely fine. So this is the overall project which is very simple, and the common mistakes you can do is you can forget about int as I did, and here is a challenge for you. Make the circle radius dynamic. Instead of writing 100, you can use random.randint so that it creates dynamic circles. You can change the pen size also, you can change speed also, and if you want, you can change the turtle shape also. So this is the challenge for you. Try to create this art by just changing one line of code. And if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.